Birthday, Mrs. Happy birthday to you. Ikaw ang focus dahil ikaw ang birthday.
Hi, good morning. So today is Wednesday. It's already 9:15, so kailangan namin umalis ng 9:30 kasi may work pa kami pareho ni Kenneth. We are a family of 2,000 subscribers already, and February is my birth month. So, syempre, kesa naman ako yung tumatanggap ng gift, mas gusto ko yung nagsishare ako ng gift sa inyo na sumusuporta and nanonood sa mga videos ko. So, ayan, papakita ko lang ng quick yung mga items ko for giveaways. I'll post the mechanics on the description box below and dun sa Instagram and Facebook account ko. Ipopost ko lahat ng items and yung mechanics. So, there. Kailangan yung mga items. And so, first item is this Focus 2017 journal ng BDJ. So, nakuha ko to sa meet and greet ni Miss Aisha. So, since meron na kasi akong planner, so might as well isama ko na to sa giveaway. The next item is this CC Ultra Moist Cushion. This is a cushion foundation from the Face Shop. Shade niya is Pure Beige. Hindi lang ako ay Pure Beige. So, this is how it looks. Ayan siya. And then, may kasama na siyang refill. And the next item is this BB Cream from Talent Cosmetics. And the next po is itong lip tint, lip and cheek tint from Blush and Kiss. So, iba-ibang shade siya. So, 9 po ito. Actually, 10 yung in-order ko. So, yung isa ginagamit ko ngayon. I'm giving away 9 lip and cheek tint from Blush and Kiss Potion. I'll put their Instagram account and Facebook account sa description box below para makita niyo yung swatches nila. So, ayan guys. Ito yung mga items for giveaways. So, mamimili tayo ng 12 winners dun sa giveaways para 1 item each winner. Diba? Bongga. So, by the way, ang gamit ko sa lips ko today is itong Blush and Kiss Potion na lip tint. So, this is on the shade nito is number 7, Desire. So, medyo dark siya. Mas gusto ko kasi yung mga lip tint na medyo dark. Yan. Ito yung gamit ko today. So, ito yung kasama sa giveaway natin. Ayan, wala na akong makeup. So, nasa bahay na kami. Nagtanggal agad ako ng makeup para mapahinga yung face ko. So, ayan. Galing kami ng train mo kanina. Nakapagpuslit kami ng date ni Kenneth kanina. Nakapanood kami ng movie. Nanood kami ng 50 Shades Darker. So, yan. Nabasa ko kasi yung book. So, okay lang naman yung movie. I mean, if ikaw yung nakapagbasa ng book, syempre may mga hahanapin kang scenes. Although, overall, okay naman siya. So, ayan. Before I end today's video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako maglinis ng makeup brush ko kasi may gig ako tomorrow. So, what I use is this makeup brush cleaner from Whims and Craze. Sobrang bango nito. So, iba-iba yung scent nila. Ito yung pinakamalaki. This is the 250 ml na bottle. Ang favorite ko na scent nila is green tea. Ito yung ginagamit ko na tissue for cleaning my brush. So, ito lang yung konting brush na ginagamit ko kasi since isa lang yung client ko tomorrow for prenup, hindi ko dinadala lahat para hindi ako nalilito na baka may ma-misplace or mawala or something. Ayan. So, papakita ko lang paano ko maglinis ng brush.
Light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the summers, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
Pangit. Inception.
Red stones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait.
Punta kang Hidalgo.
Punta kami sa,
Puerto
Puerta
Real.
pala. Puerto ko ng Puerto. Puerta Real Gardens. Saan ko nakuha yung Puerto Real?
Buti naintindihan ako ng security.
Oo nga eh. Kaya pala sabi nila, saan Puerto Real? Medyo nag-isip muna siya.
Kahit yung nagpo-party.
Baka kaya hindi niya alam. Puerta pala.
We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length on the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. Listen to.
So we're here. Andito kami sa, anong tawag dito? San Agustin? Hindi.
Baluarte de San Diego.
Baluarte de San Diego.
Alam mo ba ang Baluarte de San Diego ang pinakamatandang fort sa Maynila? O sige,
Oldest stone fort kasi.
Pala. ito yung lumang the fort.
Eh, mo ko sa'yo.
Oh.
Anong gagawin natin mamaya?
Uwi.
Isan tayo kakain. Hindi, mag-office pala muna ako tapos siya. Magnatrabaho din. Ew. Pero parang gusto ko talaga ng mamu eh.
Mas gusto ko sa mamu kaysa sa uptown. Oo nga, seryoso.
Kahit ako eh. Parang wala na ibang maisip na kakain.
Hindi alam mo kung bakit. Mas malayo.
Tsaka parang mas
sa UP
satisfy
town ba yung sinasabi mo? Uptown?
Uptown.
Sa ano? Fort?
Fort.
Ay, mag-ano na lang tayo. Mamu, Rockwell.
Pa-reserve na lang.
Ayoko rito. Ayoko, layo. Mag-ano ka na lang. Layo.
Tagal na rin natin hindi kumain dun.
Saan?
Sa mamu.
Nayaya kita na isang din.
Oo nga.
Ito.
Hintayin na lang namin si Kenneth. Alis kami for dinner. So, ayan. Yan na yung makeup ko today. Simple lang kasi medyo tinamad na ako. Hinuwi ko yung makeup ko. So, yung kilay ko is into it. Lashes is Heroin Make. Blush is NARS. Foundation is Marc Jacobs. Tapos, yung lipstick ko ngayon is Kat Von D Lolita.
Ngayon, ano apan? Ilang naman. Ito, crocodile. The water. Ito, the crocodile. The water.
Where's the tiger?
Yeah. Ito.
Okay. How about the rhino?
Aba.
Aba?
Ito, nano.
Rhino. Where's the giraffe?
And this. Zero.
Oh, there's a tree. Yay!
Two. Ito. Ay. Ano?
Oh, mana, Tancho. Kita mo yan, Tancho. Mana sa'yo, Tancho.
Wearing
Si Yummy.
shoes.
Okay. Apo. Ito pala. Wow, yummy.
Night to stay. Things we have to do. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this. We'll take go long walk. Taking steps with me, saving small talk over the summer. Started safe songs, finding hidden caves. All the red stones shaped by the ocean waves. It's okay to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've been catching up to do. There's a power about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold around the falling. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. That is the way we'll be forever. This is
Bawi mo, galing! Oops! Nahulog pa.